Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. I'm just going to say very conflict. I just want to make an announcement of a breakthrough research I've been carrying out quite some time now, and this has to do with trying to create a synergy between students from the rural areas and those in the urban areas, people coming into freshers coming into the university at some time, and coming from these different backgrounds. I found that it was quite difficult for those coming from the rural areas to cope or to learn at the same pace with those that had their early education in the urban areas, especially when it comes to the language of change and um, tool usage, infrastructure, and computing um, use of computers and all that. So I tried to create an LLM that will kind of bridge this up by breaking down. We all love stories. By breaking down topics into stories and then maybe creating a narrative around the topic and their success in such a way that the students can have access to animated images that will further buttress or further um, enhance their comprehension level of this topic. So also for lecturers who maybe for the first time are getting into new fields like teaching courses where the experts in the area just retired. So they can also use the LLM to kind of um, create a deep dive of the topic area and then comprehend the overall topic, the subset of the topic, which in this context we call the data and the data set. So the narrative now is the story and then the visualization. These are the three parts that make up data storytelling: the data, the narrative, and the visualization. So also it has been documented in the Silver Army Forum of one of our professors who got retired recently. So I was honored to contribute my key points to this wonderful book. So it's chapter 54 of the second volume. Um, Akuko in my language means story, and using story to buttress the point to bring understanding has is a long life it's been there for quite some time, from folklore to your Nollywood, Hollywood, Bollywood, and so on. So we all love stories, and that is actually the motivation behind it. So I wanted to explore it. It's easy to access the article. It's now live on the GPT URL. So I'll simply share my screen and show how you can access it. So let me do a quick one on that. Okay, so this ChatGPT environment, we just go to explore GPT and then search for um okay, so that's the second one here. Click on it and then you'll be able to use it. Okay, So to use this, we just type in our prompt, and in this case, our prompt might be the topic we want Akuko to look into or to break down, the venue of the class, and maybe the name of the lecturer who is to take the class. So, for instance, I did this using our system. Our system is Nigerian National University Commission current curriculum that we are running. So I got in a course from computing and a course from agri and then another course from law, and we use this to experiment. That's what we call this a case-based approach. So let me quickly type in, say, Python programming, which is once there's a topic we want it to tell us about Python programming. Things to tell out. Then the lecturer by Mr. Frank, that's the system analyst in our shell life, Mr. Frank. So let me submit this. And then, yeah, it creates a scene by scene narrative. I don't want the video to be that long, so the mission, the story begins with an introduction, then it introduces the key concepts such as variables, okay, control flow, data types, and so on. Okay, loop. So we just break it down. So these are, for me, in this program, these are our data sets. The subsets that make up the language. Okay. So you can now ask it to create want me to turn this into a site or animated storyboard for your class. You can say yes, and then the animation will be created. So we have documented it, and please you can read it in my ResearchGate handle. Thank you. I'll still drop a link here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Explore, please, 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 please subscribe for more AI work because I'm going to be posting my AI agents, how to create AI agents for your various businesses, and this will really help make your work easier. People say AI will not replace jobs. I don't know how that is possible because indeed, for real, AI will replace jobs. So the earlier we get into it, the better for us all. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting and up to date knowledge in this field. Thank you.